How to fix MacBook Air battery drain issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to check macOS version and update. So open System Settings and tap on General and then on Software Update. macOS 15.5 has improved battery performance for many users, so go ahead and install any updates available. Next, let's spotlight Finish Indexing. After a major update, macOS re-indexes files, which can temporarily drain the battery. So leave your Mac plugged in and idle for a few hours so indexing finishes. Next, you can try to inspect external devices and background tasks. So, unplug all USB or Bluetooth accessories as they may draw power even while asleep. Also, open Activity Monitor and then tap on the Energy tab option to identify apps using high energy and quit those processes. Next, open System Settings again and tap on Battery and then on Options. Here, go ahead and disable Power Nap and Wake for network access. Also, dim screen brightness and turn off keyboard backlight to reduce consumption. You can also enable low power mode and choose the only on battery option. Next, you can manage memory and log in items. If your Mac is low on RAM, it uses disk space instead, slowing performance and draining battery, so you can use tools like Clean My Mac to free RAM or manually close memory-heavy apps. You can then go to Login Items and remove unnecessary apps that auto-start at login. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can simply shut down and restart your Mac, as a simple shutdown and restart resets the system management controller automatically. And if battery drains overnight when sleeping, you can try manually shutting down instead of sleeping. So these were a few fixes of how you can fix MacBook Air battery drain issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.